Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right. I haven't heard one like this before. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is this a 9K? 8K. 8K. Okay. XS 8K. Did this box slide in?
Yeah.
Did it? Oh.
I'm actually getting a new one built right now. I'm walling it off from the trunk.
And that's a 10-inch?
8-inch air.
8-inch airport. Okay. Nice.
6 order in here.
6th order, really? Okay.
A single Evil 12 on 8K.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right. I haven't heard one like this before.
I don't have any music, man. Lost my damn USB.
Pause it real quick. So what's your name?
Tyrell.
Tyrell, okay. And you said it's one?
This is 212s.
Okay.
2 Evil SSA Evil 12s.
Okay.
On Crossfire XS8K.
Alright.
Just a limitless 70 amp hour in the back and
okay.
limitless caps up front.
Okay. You don't have any, have you ever done USB or Bluetooth?
Like I mean it's going into the USB, but okay. I actually lost my USB.
So you're on stock radio then?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. I'm just using
awesome.
the LC2i.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Tyrell's system. Looking forward to showing you all a 2-song bass demo. If you haven't already, give them a like. This was at the TDH show in Virginia of 2021, back when masks were mandated. Don't wear them today, obviously. So if you haven't already, comment too. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system. 8,000 watt amplifier. I didn't find out if this was at half ohm or 1 ohm. I'm going to assume it's at 1 ohm, and he has a good enough lithium bank, and the port is here on the left side as I was showing you earlier, an 8-inch aero port. A lot of pressure was not really escaping the trunk. You'll see in the demo there was a lot of trunk flex, so I'm going to assume that his pressure from the cabin to the trunk wasn't equalized, so there was more pressure in the trunk the way the box layout is from that port, but it really got the job done. I wanted to put the seat down to be able to get a better view shot of it, but there is 2 12s back there, but I couldn't get the seat down because I just didn't get it on video. Sorry about that. If you notice closely, he has actually a box point keeping his box from moving, and it was pushed all the way back, so he was trying to get as much breathe room from the trunk to the cabin as possible, and you did a good job. Shout out to you, man. So we're going to go ahead and get to the 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos, and check me out on social media, JacobViral. Enjoy.
Playing on Pandora.
Yeah, you don't have any. Have you ever done USB or Bluetooth?
Like I mean, it's going into the USB, but okay. I actually lost my USB.
So you're on stock radio then?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. I'm just using
awesome.
the LC2i.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Tyrell.
Tyrell. Thanks for the demo, Tyrell. You have a good day.
You too, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.